Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your KuCoin account. Before you begin, it's crucial to understand the implications of this action. Make sure your account balance is completely zero and all your assets have been withdrawn. This process is irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any issues. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth deletion. To start, navigate to the KuCoin Support Center. You'll need to find the specific section for account closure or deletion. This is usually under Security or Account Management. Be prepared to provide some personal information for verification purposes. This step is essential to confirm your identity and protect your account from unauthorized access. Follow the prompts carefully. After submitting your request, KuCoin will likely require further identity verification. This might involve email confirmation or a security question. Once verified, you'll be asked to confirm your decision to delete the account. Read through any terms or warnings about account closure carefully. This final confirmation ensures you understand the permanent nature of the deletion. Once you've confirmed, KuCoin will process your deletion request. This can take a few business days. You should receive a final confirmation email when your account is permanently closed. Remember, once deleted, your account and all associated data cannot be recovered. This concludes the process of deleting your KuCoin account, ensuring your privacy and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.